Hello everyone, this is Luis from Concrete Design and Repair. I am a concrete polishing expert here in the Georgia area. And in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking about how to reduce messy concrete dust when deciding to polish concrete. So that the reason I'm saying this question is because that's kind of one of the main concerns I get from homeowners. And as a result, we have developed a process to manage dust created from grinding concrete to a bare minimum. Any knowledgeable contractor if will have a plan in place for minimizing or even eliminating concrete dust. Some of them will tell you that they offer a wet grind process, and that does reduce concrete dust if you're doing a wet grind process. And even though wet grinding has its benefits, my experience has been that if you have already painted the walls or you have baseboards and that sort of thing, wet grinding can create a problem. And that reason being is that you're putting water and you're grinding concrete, and even though if you have shields around the concrete grinder, it can splash everywhere. And we have just learned after 7 years of being an owner of this company, we have developed a different process. We have trademarked our process. We call it the dust buster method, and basically one of the few things that we do is that we seal all the vents of your HVAC system because we don't want any dust going in there. It can cost you thousands of dollars if dust goes into there, and it's not proper to clean or not that. So we just seal all the dust system. The ducting system. We seal it all off, and then we also quarantine the area that we're grinding by putting plastic with access to the area. So we put plastic all over the area, and then we also we create a negative air by having an air scrubber that basically acts as as an air scrubber, and it cleans all the air every 30 minutes. So that's in addition to having a vacuum attached to each of our hand grinders. So this will help. This is our process of making sure that we keep dust at a minimum, that we keep your family safe and your house clean. And that's our promise that we've been offering to our clients. And if you're considering on polishing concrete or would like to learn more, just schedule a call. Me or John will typically respond, and if you need to schedule a quote, we will also come out and talk to you more about it with no commitment. So click on the link below to call or schedule an appointment, and I hope for us to work together and for you to allow us to be your guide in your concrete beautification and restoration needs. Thank you.